Click any of this section, go to the advanced section, scroll down and click custom CSS. You can see you need to upgrade it. So let's install a plugin. Go to the WordPress dashboard and to the plugin section, click add new and search Elementor. And you can see the Royal Elementor add-ons and template. Install and activate it. It will take a couple of seconds. And with this plugin, you can add your custom CSS to Elementor. Now go to your website and just reload this page. It will take a couple of seconds. After this page completes its reload, all the options will be available. Now click any of this section, go to advanced, and now you can see the custom CSS. Now you can add any custom CSS. Let's see some practical example. Just drag and drop the image widgets. Now select images. I will already download some images. Now I'm going to drag and drop. Select any of this. Now I'm going to duplicate these 3 times. This images are a little bit bigger, so I am going to change its width. Go to the style, and there you can see the width. I will make it 10. And now I'm going to copy and paste style. So I don't need to change them individually. Now I'm going to change these images. Now everything is done. And now I will add custom CSS. I already have some codes. Copy and I will paste it. Now I need to copy the CSS classes and go to the layout and paste on the CSS classes. Well, it's not working. Let me see the code. Yeah, there is a full stop that I didn't add. Yeah, now it's working. And now I am going to add quotes for other 2 emojis. But make sure you copy it from the full stop to the second bracket and just paste it. Go to the advanced section and below there custom CSS, paste it and copy the CSS classes and paste it to the CSS classes. And I will do it for the third one. Copy and paste it to the custom CSS. The last thing, just copy the custom CSS classes and paste it to the CSS classes. Now you can see that it's worked perfectly. You can add any other CSS. I just show you an example. You can find this CSS in the description. You can try it by yourself. That's it for today.